the middle of Walmart, so it's like very noisy right now. The jewelry, it's giving her, okay.
Stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand, but my knees go weak.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are going to be doing hygiene haul for women, and basically I'm just going to go around and pick up a few items. If I were to shop right now, I already have a lot of the items that I'm going to show you, but because I wanted it to be like in the right environment, I'm just going to be picking out some items that I would choose for like my hygiene, and then basically review the best products and stuff like that. So make sure you like, share and subscribe, guys. It's really noisy, so don't mind that. I want to show you my outfit. So this is the fit, guys. It's giving the jewelry, it's giving her, okay. So guys, this is like my favorite section of like self-care, like body care. We are starting with the body washes, and this vanilla Dove body wash is the best, and my second favorite is the coconut coffee. It smells amazing. Every shower routine starts with like a body wash, which is why, let me tell you, upon smelling this is so good. If you love vanilla and you love smelling sweet, this is amazing. And I'm a coffee girl, like every time. I already have this at home. This is amazing and I would recommend it, which is why I would put this in my cart. So these are the ones that I would choose for like starting up your body shower. If you're like a beginner in like trying to smell good, I feel like these are the two body washes that you will need. Everybody needs something to scrub their body, and this was the option that was available. I personally use a hand glove, like a scrubbing hand glove, and it works so well with my body and getting off the dirt. I also think you should, if you got a body wash, you need body soap so that the foam is right, and the body scrub for like when you have shaved and you want to smell good. So girl, you need a nice body lotion, especially in winter, and Aveeno is so moisturizing. It's like approved medically, like to leave you with a nice soft body. This Nivea vanilla is also so good and it smells amazing. This floral lotion right here, like it's the best. And the moisturizing for both of these, because they're from the same brand, is amazing. This one is personally my favorite. So a lot of body oils have been going viral on TikTok everywhere, but nobody talks about this Johnson body oil. First of all, look at this moisturizing power, guys. Like, this oil is going to make every scent stick on. This Aveeno, it's probably the most best smelling body oil in like Walmart shoppers, like out there. Like, this thing smells so good. The moisturizing power is amazing. It doesn't feel too watery. Just wow. So guys, I'm so in love with this Dove deodorant line, especially this one is the one that I use. I find that it doesn't stain your shirt, and it leaves, like, it covers your armpit smell, whereby like if you put on perfumes and like oils, it doesn't still take away the odor because it's coming from your sweat. A lot of people sweat from their armpits. So when it comes to oral hygiene, we start with brushing, and these are the best toothbrushes out there. If you can't afford like an electric toothbrush, I am in the gang which cannot afford to buy electric toothbrush, so these are the best. This is the best Colgate if you really don't want to like spoil your gum. I've been using it. I've used other brands and it was really not good for my gum, but this one is the best. Some flossing toothpicks, of course, to remove stuff like gum from between your teeth. A nice mouthwash. This is probably the best out there. So yeah. So if you want results as the ones for waxing, you need it in your life. Though some people do not trust chemicals, and I'm one of them, so I resort to shavers, and these are my favorite because they have a slimy top which like is smooth on the skin and doesn't give you cuts, and it doesn't give you a lot of bumps, and it really does the work. So I recommend this. I am an always girly, so these are the ones I would recommend. So I always carry like wipes because you never know when you're gonna need them. You always need to be clean, girl. That's why you need wipes. And then honestly, Vaseline can be used for anything, like lip gloss, like lotion, anything you want. So, and then I do carry a cool mint just in case I eat from school and I want my breath to still smell fresh. So I believe everyone can get a travel size. And then I'm somebody who likes to clean my ears. Q-tips are a must. Guys, I remember when I was in high school, I bought these lip balms and everybody was just asking me, Precious, where did you get them? And to find that, I just randomly walk in Walmart and I just find the lip balm with a lot of memories. This one, of course, I recommend it for the aesthetics, you know. But I do find that a lot of lip balms do make me have like the white residue, or like after some time I get like some chapped lips. So I am going to be showing you which lip gloss I would recommend, even though it's quite pricey. It's like $12. But if you want a Nivea option, we have this. We have like Nivea, and then we have one. And then we have just the Vaseline. I feel like we can't go wrong with Vaseline. Vaseline is the OG. Vaseline is everything. In fact, in anything, if you want a lotion, you don't want to spend money, you only need Vaseline, you only need one lotion. It's not that you should have to get everything. So, would highly recommend this for your lips. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. I'm going to make a part 2 for like a hygiene haul for men. I'm just gonna do like a wrap up of like the kind of things that I bought right here, and let me just show you a picture. So guys, this is basically everything that I would get for my hygiene haul. So I'm just going to do like a follow-up sit down video, like telling you the steps on which you can apply these things. The new thing that I just found that I'm like really proud of, which like most of the things I'm not gonna get because I already have them at home, but this, guys, you cannot understand the obsession I have with body oils. Body oils make my scents like stay on for long, and I do feel like in body oils actually are like the scent enhancers. So this was really like happy find, like a find. And also like this lotion, wow, like what a nice floral lotion in case you want to wear like a floral perfume or something. So yeah, I was really happy to find this today. So why would I forget this? Why would I forget this? This one is like the best thing ever that I found. I feel like there is a lot of memories attached to have it, like a round lip balm. Like in high school, I used to fill myself with this, so I really love that. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and like, because I'm going to be doing a hygiene haul for like men, okay, for the men who want to smell amazing. So make sure you like, share and subscribe.